Back to basics. The use of volumetric glassware. Volumetric flasks are commonly used for solution preparations that need to have an accurate and/or known concentration, such as standard and sample preparations. There is a single line in the neck of the flask that the bottom of the meniscus should be at when filled. Ensure that the temperature of the liquid is at room temperature when diluting to volume. When observing the meniscus, the lines on the graduated cylinder flask should be at eye level, and only one line should be visible. The bottom of the meniscus should align with the correct volume mark. Here is an example of a flask that is over-diluted and one that is under-diluted. Both examples are not acceptable. Once the flask is diluted to volume, it is suggested that the flask is inverted no less than 10 times to be considered mixed well. Volumetric pipettes are used to prepare accurate dilutions. Volumetric pipettes can be to deliver or to contain. It is common for pipettes to have a to deliver or to contain line. To contain pipettes are used for viscous solutions and require that the pipette be rinsed or flushed with an appropriate solvent to ensure that all contents are transferred to the container. To deliver pipettes are used for aqueous and organic containing solutions. The pipette bulb should be placed on the top of the pipette and the air dispelled. The pipette is then placed in the solution to be transferred. The bulb is then decompressed and the liquid is pulled up into the pipette. The solution should be pulled up higher than the line. The bulb is quickly removed and replaced by the index finger. The outside of the pipette is wiped with a Kim wipe to remove excess solution. The line on the pipette is brought to eye level. Releasing the seal between the finger and the pipette, slowly dispense the liquid into the meniscus is at the line. Place the pipette into the container that the volume is to be dispensed into and remove the finger closure. The pipette tip can be placed on the edge of the container that the solution is being dispensed into. Tapping of the pipette on the side of the container is not acceptable. After dispensing, there should be a small amount of liquid in the tip of the pipette when using a to-deliver pipette. That brings us to the end of the section on using volumetric glassware.